Are these your trucks?
Yep.
What's this one called?
It's an international.
International.
1921.
19...
That's not what you call it.
Oh, see, sweet ale, I know. And how long have you been working on it?
Oh, it's been restored now for about 13 years, but probably on and off for maybe 10 years before that, sort of in between
Wow.
the rest of your life. My son helped me a bit with the timber work because he's a
Beautiful
carpenter.
work, beautiful work. Hey! What's this one?
Bean.
A bean. 1925 bean. And they were used as work trucks, carry trucks? And you've had this one how long?
Oh, I bought it about 1964, I suppose.
64. Beautiful.
Yep, it's a retirement project.
And you're still working on it?
About 18 years.
Lovely. Done a great job. Bye.